In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add forms in Framer. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to bring a form into your project and position it where you need it, using Framer's built-in tools. Let's start inside your Framer project. Make sure you already have a page or frame open where you want your form to live. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the main sidebar. This is where you manage your layers, pages, and most importantly for this tutorial, the Insert panel. To begin, move your cursor to the left sidebar and click on Insert. This opens up a library of all the elements you can add to your design, such as text, images, buttons, and interactive components. If you don't see it right away, look for the plus icon or the section that expands to show different categories of elements. The Insert panel is your starting point every time you want to add something new to your canvas. Once the Insert panel is open, look for the section labeled Forms. This category groups together all the form-related components that Framer offers. When you click on Forms, you'll see different options such as basic input fields, text areas, checkboxes, or pre-built form blocks, depending on what's available in your version of Framer. Selecting this category simply filters the list so you're only seeing form elements, which keeps things organized and makes it easier to find what you need. Now that you're in the form section, it's time to bring a form into your design. Choose the form component or specific form field you want to use. Then click and hold on it, drag it out from the panel and drop it onto your canvas. As you drag, you'll notice alignment guides that help you position the form precisely where you want it. Release your mouse to place it. After dropping the form onto your page, you can resize it, move it around, and adjust its properties in the right-hand panel. This is where you can edit things like placeholder text, labels, and visual styling so the form fits the rest of your design. If you need multiple fields, simply repeat the same drag and drop